Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers peak and knowledge grows. Badr rode his bike for 4 hours and 15 minutes at a speed of 20 km per hour. What distance did he ride? Time is given 4 hours 15 minutes, 4 hours plus 15 minutes. This is equal to 4 into 60 plus 15 minutes. This is equal to 240 plus 15 is equal to 255 minutes. 255 minutes upon 60 is equal to 4.25 hour. Now distance is equal to unknown. We have distance is equal to speed into time. Speed already given 20 km per hour and time is equal to 2.25 hour. This is equal to 85 km. 20 into 4.25, this is equal to 85. It means that the distance the Badr rode on his bike is equal to 85 km. Look at the question. A bus traveled 140 km at an average speed of 70 km per hour. How long the bus take? B. If the bus traveled at an average speed of 35 km per hour, how long would it take? Part A. Distance is equal to 140 km, speed is equal to 70 km per hour. Already given. Time is unknown. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is equal to 140 km and speed is equal to 70 km per hour. 140 upon 70, 72 are 140 is equal to 2 hour. Section B. If speed is equal to 35 km, distance is equal to 140 km, time is unknown. Time is equal to distance upon speed 140 km upon 30 km per hour. This is equal to 4 hour. 140 divided by 35 is equal to 4. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. The flight time from airport A to airport B is 8 or 20 minutes. The speed of the plane is 540 km per hour. What is the distance from airport A and airport B? Now, speed is equal to 540 km per hour. Time is equal to 8 hour plus 20 minutes. This is equal to 8.33 hour because 20 divided by 60 is equal to 0.33 hour. As we have a formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 540 km per hour into 8.33 hour. This is equal to 540 into 8.33. This is equal to 4,498.2 km. This is the distance from airport A to airport B. 4,498.2 km. Look at the question. A car traveled 160 km at an average speed of 40 km per hour. A. How long did the car take? B. If the car traveled twice as fast, how long would it take? Look at the data. Distance is already given 160 km. Speed is equal to 40 km per hour and time is unknown. We have a formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance 160 km, speed 40 km per hour. This is 4 hour. As 160 upon 40 is equal to 4 hour. Section B. Car traveled twice as 40 km per hour to 80 km per hour. Time is unknown. Time is equal to distance upon speed and distance is equal to 160 km, which is already given, and 80 km per hour. 160 upon 80 is equal to 2. This is 2 hour. First, section A takes 4 hour, and if the speed doubled this portion, the time will take 2 hours. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. A motorcyclist took 1.5 hours to travel 143 km from point P to point Q, or town A to town Q. He then took another 1.5 hour to reach his destination town R, which was 96 km from town Q. Find his average speed. First, from town P to Q, time takes 1.5 hour, distance is equal to 143 km. Then, from point Q to R, 1.5 hour and distance is equal to 96 km. Total distance is equal to 143 plus 96 km is equal to 239 km, and total time from P to R is equal to 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 3 hours. Average speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to 239 km upon 3 hours. 239 upon 3 is equal to 79.67 km per hour. This is the average speed of the motorcyclist. Look at the question. A car traveling at a uniform speed started at noon and covered the first 150 km of a journey by 3 p.m. Started from noon and reach at 3 p.m. and cover 150 km distance. Find the time when it had completed the whole journey of 600 km. Look at the data. Distance already given 150 km. Time is equal to 3 hours because the car is traveling from noon, it means 12 o'clock, to 3 p.m. It means it takes 3 hours. Speed is unknown. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance 150 km upon 3 hours. This is equal to 50 km per hour. Now another distance which is 600 km and speed is equal to 50 km per hour. Time is equal to 600 upon 50. This is equal to 12 hours. It means the car started at 12 noon, 12-hour journey completed and reached at 12 midnight. This is the answer of the question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.